Because the other day, me and the whole of them, I say me and my wife left. Me can't tell social media any blood clotting I want to tell them. Oh, this is my life. When me click it, me can't marry, me can't divorce, me can't any blood clotting me want be. Oh,
That
fuck
is it.
you. And that's how if it up, watch out people blood clot business. Jeez, why you make them people here a conquer? You didn't know say illegal for people talk about they go call immigration.
Yeah, me know, but me and the police like them, Dad. Remember, we are bad people, Rusker.
Yeah,
you don't know that.
but let me tell you this, cheese. It's a country I will reach in a father. But no, we have to use them boy then. I tell you, because them we use them boy against we, bro. We gone.
True, still.
You see me? In our country, we can body up and just know say, oh, no pussy. None. You see, Pre? See, yes, sir? Yeah. We have to work with them. You see me? I say, and I'll even like say, I want to call them lead like, you know, police state, you know, bro. You see, Pre? But you see, sometimes you better yourself in America, you have to work with them. Yeah, bro, yo, cheese, you see, man, when me I go to jail, bro. Me go tell you a thing. After the war, you know, remember, we are Jamaican. People ask me how me find stone. I saw stone me fling, you know. Tear out one wall. Stone boom back clot somebody. You see, Pre? When me walk and left the scene now, then call police. My wife call police.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, bro, when time me I walk and go about my business, car basically me I run. Because me don't want to go to jail. You see, Pre? When time I look, police stop on my feet, cheese. I say, Venice, they call me by my name.
Right.
You see, Pre? I'm going to go so bam. And then I say, yo, they have to take me back to the house and them cuff me. Then nothing. I saw me know me I go to jail from first, you know.
Them cuff you.
From them cuff me, you know. Cause you pick me up right there, sir. You don't have no reason for cuff me. You see, Pre? And so I reach back around the yard as a yard man, bro. Then just a take talk from the Yankee, them alone, bad man. Me I tell you the truth, no matter where yard man I say, bro. No matter where me I say you would. And you hear where I want Jamaican lock me up in morning cheese. And the man come at me. Yo, the Spanish man did even nicer to me because the man find me with a ganja and the man say, yo, that's soft, man. Go on, that is Spanish man. You see it?
Yeah.
But the black Jamaican man, the man come out here and say, you know you're going to jail today, right? You go to jail in a car, right? I mean, I say, dog, what you mean you go to jail? They in a yard, man. What the fuck you lock me up for? You see me? Yeah. And the Jamaican lock me up, bro, and carry me. And immigration come for me. Because let me tell you the truth, how the band thing they go. You see me? When me go to jail, me have to deal with the state before them come for me. You see, when I pay the state, bro, them come for me immediately. Immediately. Me go and post my bond today. When I post my bond, them already the car me gone to Paul Ryan already. So me have to stay at Paul Ryan for 24 hours. You feel me I did? Them bring me back a Fort Lauderdale. When time them bring me back a Fort Lauderdale, cheese, my bond was posted. Them give me my shit, give me my clothes, my shoes. But there was two people there waiting for my ass. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And them put on the cuff them for me and put me in a one van where me can't see nothing cheese. Nothing at all. Me can't see no highway, nothing. You see me? And then carry me down a Chrome and the immigration said to me, say, yo, this is the case that them have against me. Me overstay on my B2. And me supposed to leave the country from August 2016, you see me? And that is the case that them have against me. So, but at the time, cheese, I was already married. You understand me? My biometrics was already in. You understand me? But little did I know that if I had brought my papers from UCIS, I wouldn't be in immigration custody. You see me? I did not know that. You understand what I say? And one time I reach an immigration jail, it took me a good little minute to see the lawyer, to see the judge, because it was COVID time. You feel me? But my lawyer so good, you know, cheese, me I tell you this, you know, cheese. They're one of the best lawyers, them on the ground, you know. I mean, I tell you about Florida shit. Me I tell you about for some real American shit, my
Shit.
liar want Arab. You see, Pre? Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Cost me 130 grand in a cheese. Put me there, road. Yeah, man, 20 grand for my lawyer and 10,000 for my band.
Okay, I have to pay the money.
Yeah, with an immigration bans, you don't do 10%, you have to pay the country the entire amount.
Know that.
Yeah, so my ban was 10 grand, my lawyer 20.
Sick that.
And
So
1 month me
America
spend a jail, you
expensive.
know. Yeah, man, 1 month me spend a jail cheesy. Swear to God. One thing with that too, immigration lawyer, if you are gonna get the greatest immigration lawyer, it's gonna cost you. You see me?
Yeah.
Cause you see with them immigration lawyer, them know everything, cheese. I know everybody. You know them look away there? Like them have lunch together type shit. You feel me? Say you have to just go up on the top of the chain for one lawyer. You know them look away there? And my lawyer, I'm telling you, I love Sophia fuck man. I best that on the ground. No pussy, none. And the other thing to you know, cheese. I'm gonna tell you a thing, you know. And an immigration jail, me go learn this. You hear that? You see you cheese and Vanny cheese and the whole of them people here, bro. I'm gonna tell you a thing. You didn't know say you have more rights here than the people that will live here.
Me I tell.
No. I mean,
all them attack me.
immigration.
Dan, you see them attack as somebody them a look for scare because I'm not undocumented. I am a documented immigrant.
Yeah, man, I know, but me I tell them say, them have to be careful. You see, in America, if anything happened to an immigrant here, America is in trouble. You understand what I deal with? So, with an immigrant, you have to be very tedious with them. You understand what I deal with? You have to deal with them in the most fair and respected manner. You see me? Because you can sue the country, you know. And you understand what I deal with? You don't want that. You don't want that immigrant to sue your country. You know what them look weird there? Over some bullshit. You see, Pre? So, you have to. Now, when you hear people talk about, you call immigration for you, them can go to jail themselves. Them better don't do it. You see me? You call ICE, them find out for them location and go lock up them. You understand what I say?
That me know when you have plan for a man, gotta wipe.
Yeah, me know, man, but them, so, yeah, as I tell you, say, the people them when you hear I talk about this immigration case for them live there with the 13 people in a box, them don't know nothing. Them don't know nothing about the root of grass, you hear me? This is a predicament where me in for 1 month. You understand what I did? One seal month, me have name blood clot bricks in a jail. You feel me I did? You know my mama broke my body in a cheese. Yeah, man, I'm my wife, I want him, I can big her up. You know that my wife, I best, you see, Pre. Yeah, and me and her did reach, you know, or reach, and for that, she ride for me. You see, Pre? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. She make sure send me commissary, put money on my phone. You see, it two of them does it dead for me. You know them here there? Yeah, man. That's why when me hear people talk about, they're not gonna need GoFundMe. You must say mad. My mama, you must say mad.
One thing me I tell them, me not worry myself. Anything.
No, let me tell you something now, you know, cheese. I'm gonna be very precise with you, you know. You see in America, you see if you're an immigrant and you ain't nobody business with you, mama. No one business with you. Once you're there as an immigrant, let me tell you this, cheese. You see me, a family where they are foreign 30 years. Them that immigrant, you know. Yeah, man. Girl at jail already. And come back a road. So let me tell you, America is just nobody call your shots for you. Nobody play no card for you. Play your own card them. You see, Pre? This is America.
For real.
America, we shame them, cheese. Me I tell you that. When me did walk back a road, the whole of them did shame.
Yeah, cause them a look for see a guy know me now.
Yeah, man, the whole of me then cheese me that jail I hear, so then give me a date for when me dip, man. Yeah, man.
So them know your people business more than for them business.
And the only two people that know my business when me that jail was my mother and my wife, and none of them ever come on the internet come say nothing.
So people stay, man.
And all of them lie, they were me hear them a tell Ivani. But this, first of all, cheese, you cannot call the sheriff office for people's personal information. Unless you're next of kin or a husband. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, but listen, people do it then. People go on the dirty woman in life, go do it. Brawling, me can find it now, I make you hear it. Let me find it. You know if you want to play it for my life, God know.
You didn't know so that's an incrimination?
You know that?
You know, so you're not supposed to do things like that on no live. I know you can carry that guy. Whatever county station them did that too, if you don't have the recording there, you can carry it over there and get them in a trouble. Right now. Promise you.
Police woman vice here too.
Yeah, man, I promise you. Just believe me, man. Yes, one time, right now, if you not believe me, just do it.
Well, Ivan, if you deal with that when she come out, my love.
True.
Yeah.
You carry that guy station right now. Anybody will do it, them have to come answer to your sheriff.
I mean.
That's why I tell people, say America is just a country where you have to just know your laws and your rights, you know. Nobody can go around you.
True.
Nobody at all cannot go around you. Remember that.
Yeah, beat some shut away.
Hey, one thing, blessings to you gifts in our house, I get gift. Me not even this seed. Where you come from?
I want girl get money gun.
Thank you, babesy. So what you know? Me I gonna tell you another thing to you know, cheese. Cheese. You said they're in America. No make nobody use the immigrant card there and stifle you. You hear me?
Nah, make them use it for me.
No, I mean that seriously. Love you too, babe. I mean that seriously. You see, in this country, if someone is bullying you because you are an immigrant, it is illegal. And it also can put you in depression, and it can put you give you suicidal thoughts. That's what America think. You feel me? So at the end of the day, no one is not supposed to be bullying you because of your status. You understand me?
Real.
Yeah, so yo, niggas think they can make complaints, bro. You gotta make complaints too, fam. Like, what the fuck? Yes, sir. Yeah, man, you have to understand now, cheese. Don't ever look on your status and think you ain't got no rights here. You have more than what the fuck you think. If you go to the sheriff office right now and tell them that this man and this woman is bullying you because of your status, they could go to jail. Yeah, they can. They're not for America. You understand me? I mean, yeah, the whole of them over there, you know. The whole of them turn all kind of immigration law, yeah.
Yeah, tell.
Mr. Cheese, if you left your life in a Philian blood clot and you're dead by 12 o'clock today. You're mad? I would have give you a blood clot box in your ears temple, you see?
You know, sometimes I have nothing to do, me just go over there. Me and the woman never have no problem. The big batty man come with the problem.
Make the big think pussy woman. I just deal with them over me.
You can't tell me we do over here listen to it too.
I cuss them like a blood clot dog, you know. You know me now? When me a deep up under them blood clot, me deep, you know.
Oh.
Because the other day, me and the whole of them, I say me and my wife left. Me can't tell social media any blood clot thing, I want to tell them. Oh, this is my life. When me click it, me can't married, me can't divorce, me can't any blood clotting me want be. Oh,
that
fuck you. And that's how if you top watch out people blood clot business.
Sunshine doll. Thank you.
If you never the day I watch out people blood clot business, you know one if me still a name come whole or not. So, one thing me I gotta tell you about thing pussy girl. You see me? If me did have infection like all bling, I know. One thing me no blood clot walk up on the internet can sit down and talk, you know. Cause the scent to a pitch from underneath him blood clot tent. You should have making collapse on the live a blood clot. Ready? Me no know what going.
Murder.
Murder. I tell you, you know cheese. You see them people that cheese? When you sit on TikTok, why you feel like me do over here? Because we're bigger than that cheese. And you do, I mean, tell you that from where I come from, Gram. We're bigger than all of them, and you know that.
Of course, and them go like them want come size up.
You feel me? I do them. You have some hurry come up. Remember, in 7 years of this, me I do, you know. 7 blood clot years, me relevant, you know. I mean, never ball for my blood clot.
I never fall off.
Oh. And recently, me start beat out on a blood clot because I start to fuck around me. And that's why I get the book and I cross out on a one by blood clot one. Because when me cross you out, you can.
Prettiidon.
Yeah.
Me see you over there have your book and your pen and like you have to tap it them as you're done with what they just cross with the pen.
Cross out in blood clot, yours no existence
anymore.
No, sir.
Dan, me believe you when time you say him pay you for cussing me now.
No, cheese!
You know me not, me know you're not telling a lie.
No, me, are the truthful is somebody you know, cheese?
Of course.
Mr. Cheese, I want to tell you another story. Mr. The boy,
hold on, Dan, I tell you something.
What Prettiidon has said, everything she has said is facts coming from somebody that work inside.
Right.
You as immigrant, you have a lot of right, and you can't have it and not know that you have all these rights, and you will just give it up stuff when the pressure come down. Understand me? Don't let nobody intimidate you. You have a lot of rights. I'm telling you, I work in the system. You understand me? And you know, everybody if you come, you see me in my uniform. So we can't deal with the screen recording and shit.
Good. Thanks a lot. Run fast, get you know them come. Alright, big up.
Hey, me say, cheese, when time out of immigration jail, me bossy a fuck. You want me tell you why? No, me I walk like a brand new step. You know see how that me ride for my chain, man, certified stepper, man. Me certified anywhere in America, you know. Anywhere me travel got in. Then what do you me hear a blood clot, stiff face, body reader. Seminar no blood clot, green card. What are they do to my fucking wife? Eh? After this woman give me my blood clot, good flying rights, boy. I told me not fly got Tivoli yet. Tivoli was not my first choice. Me want to go other big continent them. Me want to go over Canada. Me want to go England. Oh, the blood clot there, man. Me not see Jamaica, you all of me pussy clot life.
Prettiidon, big up yourself, you see me?
Bad.
I better I sit there. I the bogle them in-law this, you see me? Yeah, what about you?
That is it.
I'm seeing a picture of a party with Junior them and the whole of them.
That is it, because we are real bad man, you know this. Hey, cheese, I'm here enough of them and talk about who can circle ground. Let me tell you this, cheese. You see my family, them and my friend, them and me have a yard, bro. Yeah. First, I'm no motorcade when I reach a yard. You feel me I deal with? So from, you just see movement alone, you already know, say we get boxed down. You know them look how weird that? Yeah,
no,
man.
Pretty.
Dan, we have a question.
Pretty.
Yes, ma'am.
As a Tivoli citizen, you're welcome anytime.
Oh, you mean, man? Then, as me reach a Java, me a forward. Reach a Java, me go tell you why me
can them out.
And what the fuck, dear man?
Prettiidon, when I was keeping the funeral early on in the news, I hear you say something. Is that true? Is this that tranny for real? The man married to?
Oh.
The man, the troublemaker man.
Man, tell you one thing with me, no man, skirt.
You're there.
If anything you hear come out of that, it's as credible as you know, say you go shit to them. I tell you.
Jesus Christ.
One thing with them, yo, mama, let me tell you something. You see that man there? The last time, you know, you remember one time,
I don't give a motherfucker. RT can kiss my ass.
No, fuck that nigga. What's
the trouble me? All I know Prettiidon, them same over there. I gather up information for right to immigration. RT bar.
Yo.
Are you trouble me?
Mr. Jamaican.
With the blood clot, they trouble me fast. So me hard.
Go suck him, mad. Hey, I want them to realize that me just give them a suit or
tell him to do it.
Me kill them on YouTube a while ago, you know, spin off the neck off of them body, you know. Put your
Me
girl.
here, they on Italy, so
Me deal with them cool man. Hey,
deal
you
with
didn't know
them,
say bring
especially
your
that
husband around to beat him, do? What do you know? Beat him, man. Do your infection, woman
bad
can't go
mind.
beat
All
him,
them
man.
fear give him money for help Ivani. All them fear give him money for help Ivani, and him a try to bring down me. Them
I
people that
lie.
how good
Remember
them a
tell
pay
you
for
what?
bring down me.
Remember
Cause we
tell
are
you
giving
say me a
25,000 for
sources.
$8,000. Them
Them
blood
a
clot
gather
liar
up the
one.
money for the girl got there go do body. God no. I not lie.
This
Of
is my
course that them a do.
when
That
not
big
touch
fuck
pretty
put up
than
on the
when
screen
that
for
pretty than
them. This
falling
on
in
a
the
batch body.
I true pretty than I've been secret. When me lick pretty than for sick. So you don't touch pretty than I you much try have strength for. And
No, me say,
pretty
here
than.
why did I use one day, you know? That's why me beat him so this morning, you know, but your wife, pussy. Every day I name that. Calm yourself, youth.
Oh, me hate pretty than now.
Mama, boy. So, me no know why.
Hold on.
No, this is what get her upset. She's like, this man wicked, man. Like, why is he putting that out there in the air and ignoring wicked people out there? Like, you can't then talk them something about the girl. That's not nice.
Let his children be fatherless. Let his children be
And
fatherless.
people are just wicked, man.
Let his children be fatherless.
Put out one. A prayer me hiding in the Bible.
Like, and him try yesterday, my fucking saint. And people are wicked.
And that me say. If you are a man, and that me
Bible
say.
verse
Yeah,
The
every
man,
Bible
them
is in
work
there.
him
together, man.
cannot do
Them work
nothing with
together.
that. That cannot the
And that me
Bible.
say.
That's why I know say me no
Probably
about
hard
that.
to bless, no.
Pussy me now run. Me there me yard go suck your mother. So me deal with you. Let your kids them be fatherless.
And his wife
Widow. Blood clot
Hey,
even dangerous, you know. You know more
yeah,
powerful though.
but me not tell you no lie. What did me tell you, say?
Here there, this earth team. I got boy with David so good man we put in the Bible. And we ramp
Hey,
with a Psalms
yo, me
109 go
can't
suck your
wait
mother.
until you know someone tranny married to. We don't never see girl yet.
Listen, we
Our
know
man,
already all that me so yesterday. What
you
you
man
done?
big and long, you fucking big and longer than heart, you be
You
adopted people,
say
you
me
know.
have AIDS. And me come show me status. See me good blood. You say me baby father, you go in a details. And say me baby father give me AIDS. You just not have nothing for me and me prove you wrong to everything. That's say you're hot. You know you see it. And so me go
But
to
hold
work,
on,
man.
but cheese, not be a made up story that man they do. Why you feel like me laugh
I
at
be a
made up
made up
story?
story, Dan. Be a made up story.
And them man that you need for go right one blood
You
clot.
them a send money to. That man them a send money to. This a man here fi come a
They go to
blood clot
body.
fi
They go to
Ivani come out.
body.
And then you want me for go in. You not make no sense. You not make no sense. None at all.
Because for a man we say him a read people are rich every day and get up with him body wall open door.
That me say. Boy, with him big old Dungeon and Dragon open up.
Yes.
Oi.
That's there you know, it a call compromise all evil forces of darkness. Him not let
Girl,
you
a
know.
God me see
Do
a
him
front
use them
and God a
things
back.
and do people wrong.
Me
And
no
you got
need
to
for
draw
pray for
back the
dirty
dust
heart
straight
here. Me
on
done
him.
pray already for a morning.
Yeah.
Hey, me want to tell you, you know, in a real life RT broke, you know. Let me tell you one story. Say I know I say RT come give me. Say I give me $1,000 figure. But make your body jump, girl. Jump, girl. Fucking idiot. You know what I like an idiot song there?
Fucking idiot.
But same time, my queen drop one song where say, I make it clap, 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 clap. I make it, and you know a link clap, you know. Link clap, you fuck.
Oh, you
What?
mean?
Me say link clapping clap. I'll know link up on in queen page a clap, right? And when the boy see say I chop him. Me near me money.
So him say my Obia man and him not cast no
Oh, me
spell.
want your man, and they know me go near me money.
And that me I say, I not a Obia man.
What I know?
I show up RT too
Hear him
much. You
inbox
play
me
with
now.
fire RT.
Hear him
You know see
inbox me
what me
now.
said, you and bling a law.
Tell
To
me
the
that,
law.
hear him money call me now. But I can't believe me send you my money for do the promo. And you do. promo for Grace for free. Me said that wasn't free, that near loyalty. I am loyal to Grace, not you. You are use money, I me chop you. And when me tell Grace I me chop him, Grace say send back him money, me not need him money. Me say Grace, how you fuck him? I chop him. $1,000 I'm a carry belly for.
Switch up. You say we're gonna beat it
That
over.
child mad. He mad. Listen
Don't
this.
read out the stand for them nasty business. Him know him
Listen.
can't do you nothing. Here over there, we're gonna beat it with phobia.
Hey,
No,
hold on.
no weapon.
What do you
The people them are working me now on the media.
Well, I know. Him say what day him a go link me with Hoblia. Him a go rare. Him a go stop me from go viral. And me are still the biggest bumbleclad vlog right now. No pussy cat at that. No.
Somebody, there's people that aren't gonna be talking shit about the girl.
They are bad people.
Gunshot.
You don't need to fuck with that.
Hey, you know what I want? More when I'm a bad man, batty man, friend, never just hold on.
So for sure you say your Obi is stronger than me God. Your coconut and beer me and me there same way, batty boy. You
So
see?
why they always want to kill woman, sir? Yes, he say I'm a batty man, right?
Of course, him not tell him not come say my legal batty man.
Me know. Because he married to a tranny. If you're married to a tranny, you're legal batty man, you know.
What you mean?
You're
You
married to
never
a
want to
tranny.
come out, come bust the blood clot secret. Allah, yesterday me say that Dan, yesterday I confirm, you come confirm it in the morning.
Remember, so we do it for a fucking
Long time.
Come no man, cheese. Remember what I the wall we find out I saw he come around and I try friend me up with
Your friend the whole of we, yeah.
blood clot blaze him, you
And
know.
that's why I get so
I
dark.
remember the
Well.
video where they over bling when we want to pay the whole of the $500 for shut up.
Yeah.
Oh,
And here
And
we
some
go.
know say, and then some know say Prettiidon have no play on him for days.
Yeah, man, we have
Him,
no play
him
for days.
tremble.
And
That's
none
why
of them
I
are
you to
splicing
court.
it.
That's why I to court. And when I say I have some sex videos of ignorant, that's why I buy it because I don't want them to drop.
Yeah,
Then we
man.
go and all
He
them
never
drop.
show any them sex video there. One empty house in there for one girl.
I'm
Crazy.
afraid that Prettiidon and cheese. That's how we see for sure. I'm
you see,
afraid
I put
of
him, right now, it look like him afraid of me like several
Cheese.
pussies. Cause him not
Cheese.
him never depend pretty that. Yo,
Cheese, what go on, mama? Big up
me
yourself.
there.
Cheese, don't worry yourself. You see everything we Prettiidon tell her. Just listen to what Prettiidon say. Cause she go through it, and me tell her, mama, big up yourself. You go through a lot from the other day.
Thank
And
you.
me
I'm
know.
glad everybody
Don't
see
make
it.
nobody tear down because them
Them
is a social
can't
media
tear me
bully.
down. I shut them one
And them,
shut me up for class. My blood
yeah,
clot me.
and
I'm
them
not
want
Yeah,
talk
to,
man.
when.
and them
Yeah,
want
Me
to
cheese.
run
Them
the
understand
app,
about
boy,
to
you
and
come
say
they're,
the
traffic
tongue
girl
No
roll.
pussy
so
to
hold on,
and
cause
like
me want come
hear
down,
them
cheese,
about
cause
to
show me the
send them
word.
back to Jamaica.
So what I want to tell you now, you see them is a virus on the app. They're spreading a disease on the app. You understand?
True
So don't worry
sunshine,
about
Dan.
them. Listen to what Prettiidon say. And you see them come at you at all time. Them about people look clout. Nobody looking clout from them. You understand? Them want this everybody. Well,
Right.
Prettiidon, big up yourself, mama, call the doctor we say. You hear that?
Yeah,
The
man.
doctor
Big up
we
my
say.
moms and I see them come down already. Remember me there to
Yeah.
beat them, you know? Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. That's some love how you beat them. One doctor.
With the
One
leather
doctor.
Yeah,
belt.
man,
You
my
want
love
to
take
tell
in
me?
Yeah.
Like
Prettiidon
you
for too.
soak the belt
Yeah.
in the water.
So
Every
cheese.
no
Again,
man,
like
I've seen every
water.
days.
Big up
Slap
yourself,
them
mama.
hardest man. And
Big
he
up
And
pretty
yourself
than a
hear
and
deal
me
do
with
I
nigga
watch
like
Pretty.
shit.
and
Anytime
do
me
what
dey
you
on a
do.
wrong mood, me just watch
So
Prettiidon.
big up
Cause I
yourself,
love
your
when people
cheese,
them
and
bad.
later.
Big
Big
up
up
Prettiidon, big up
yourself.
yourself,
you
big
Thanks
up
for
hear?
the
our
advice,
big
One
man.
up.
Yeah, man.
doctor.
One doctor,
Yeah,
mama.
man.